Don't mind where all this came from. I just basically grabbed this thing here and I lifted it over my body and I didn't even notice. Anyways. These carburetors, you gotta put them upside down because the way the KTM like this, I guess, they get stuck all the time. You gotta wiggle it out, okay, inside of the bowl. Looks pretty clean. We're gonna just give it a blow with the air compressor. We'll go from there. All right, here we go. Look at the float. Not quite balanced there, see it? This side's a little bit lower than this side. So we gotta adjust that because that is why there's a lot of gas flow and it's overflowing. It's not even, okay? So we're gonna take this off right here. Just a pin, slide it that way, take this off, readjust that. Okay, and readjust these. We're gonna put a just through here, just through here. We're gonna lift this up right here, and you're gonna put right through that hole. You're gonna clean that jet right there. Okay, you're gonna clean that one. You can take this off if you want. Clean the inside, it's up to you. Blow through here, all that. Right through this side where the water comes in, I mean the gas comes in, excuse me. All right, well, let me get to it.